Okay, 98th time's the charm. Okay. I want to show you how to make more complicated selections using some of the tools built into Photoshop. Specifically, making a mask around hair. Hair's kind of tricky because it's got all these little fluffy bits and sticky out bits. So let's get started here. I'll just open up our starter image. I want to jump right in and just use the quick selection tool. Let's unlock the background by double clicking it and just kind of draw in some of the background, which isn't too difficult because we've got an image with a nice plain background. Once we have this selection made, you can see it's kind of missed some hairs here and there, and all these bits, and it'd be nice to capture some of that information. So we're going to go to select and then select and mask, which opens up this new window which we haven't seen before. Now my selection was probably the wrong way around, so I want to invert it so I can see the person we want to use. And then I'm going to use the Refine Edge Brush tool, and to use this you just left click on an area of hair and then just kind of start drawing in. You can kind of left click again and just give it a clue what you're trying to select. Left click, keep drawing out some of these little bits, and you can see where it's starting to, it's identifying the background a little bit better than the quick selection tool was doing. Let's go around this side, try and do it as quickly as possible. Don't bore us, get to the chorus. Just left clicking and dragging, left clicking, dragging. Left click. Yeah, so we've got a shoulder back over here, which is pretty good. We've got a few different views to look at our selection. We've got the onion skin, which will kind of drop out the background completely. I'm seeing like missed bits over here maybe, which we can get in. Onion skin, marching ants, which is what we're familiar with the selection round. There's kind of a red overlay, or the on black one. I like the on black one. Now once we've got a selection, sometimes you still have a bit of fringing showing up. Fringing is kind of like the white bit around the edge of something. A nice way to kind of get rid of some of that is to shift the edge in a little bit. Now this kind of shrinks the whole selection in a fraction of a pixel. Just kind of clears up some of that. Once we're reasonably happy with it, we're going to hit OK, and then we're back to the marching ants view. Now we're going to hit the layer mask button, which is this one down here, add layer mask, and our background's now masked out. We haven't actually cut it away, we've just kind of hidden it. Right, let's get a background image on here. So we're going to place an embedded image, and we're going to use this one. Just zoom back out a bit, holding shift to make our image a bit bigger, or a bit bigger still. I'll do. And hit return. Then we just want to drag it behind, and this has done quite a good job. It doesn't look too badly cut out. There's some little bits here which maybe would want to give a bit more attention to, but that's good enough. Thank you for watching.